vast and diverse world, there exist large and powerful creatures known as elephants. Elephants are amazing animals, and there are many interesting things about them. Origins of elephants. Elephants originate from the continents of Africa and Asia. There are two main types of elephants: African elephants and Asian elephants. African elephants, which are larger and have wide, fan-like ears, are usually found in tropical forests and savannas in Africa. Meanwhile, Asian elephants, which are slight, elephant food. Elephants are herbivores, which means they only eat plants. Their diet is very varied and includes many different types of vegetation. Elephants eat leaves, twigs, fruit, and tree bark. They also like to dig in the ground to find delicious roots. Due to their large body size, elephants can eat up to 150 kilograms of food every day. To reach food at high altitudes, they use their long proboscis, which is very strong and flexible. Elephant habits. Elephants have many interesting habits. One of them is the way they communicate. They use sounds, such as screeches and shouts, as well as ground vibrations to talk to each other. Their trunks are also very useful in communication and social interaction. Elephants are very social animals. They live in family groups called herds. The herd is usually led by an older female known as the matriarch. The matriarch leads the herd in searching for food, water, and maintaining the safety of group members. Elephants are also known to be very intelligent and have strong memories. They can remember the location of water sources and roads to important places even after many years. In addition, elephants are often seen helping each other, especially if a member of the herd is injured or sick. Elephants really care about their cleanliness. They often bathe in rivers or ponds to cleanse their bodies of dust and parasites. They also use mud to protect their skin from the sun and insects. Overall, elephants are amazing animals with interesting habits and ways of life. They play an important role in forest and savanna ecosystems, helping to maintain the balance of nature by spreading seeds and maintaining their habitats. By understanding more about elephants, we can better appreciate how special these great creatures are and the importance of preserving their habitats so they can continue to live happily in the wild. In the middle of a lush forest, there lives a large elephant named Ghani. Ghani is not only a big and strong elephant, but also very intelligent and affectionate. Every day, he took a walk in the forest, helping his friends and maintaining peace in the place. One morning, when the sun began to radiate its warm rays, Ghani decided to explore a part of the forest he had never been to. He stepped slowly with his big feet, while enjoying the scent of flowers and the sweet sound of birds singing. On the way, Ghani heard the sound of gurgling water from a small river. As he approached, he saw a baby monkey named Miko who was trying to cross the river on a bridge made of tree branches. However, the bridge was too slippery and Miko almost fell into the water. Gani immediately approached Miko and said, "Hi Miko, I see you are having trouble. Let me help you." Gently, Gani used his trunk to hold a tree branch and lowered Miko to safe land. Miko felt very relieved and grateful. "Thank you very much, Gani. I almost fell into the river. How did you know how to help me?" Gani smiled and answered, "I always listen and pay attention to my friends. That way, I can know when they need help and the best way to help them." After helping Miko, Gani continued his journey. Not long after, he heard a small cry from the bushes. Gani approached and found an old turtle named Tino was trapped in the hole. Tino seemed to be having difficulty getting out. Gani said softly, "Hello Tino, I will help you get out of this hole." Carefully, Gani used his trunk to dig around the hole and helped Tino get out safely. Tino was very grateful and said, "Thank you, Gani. I don't know who to ask for help." "Don't worry, Tino," said Gani. "I'm happy to be able to help my friends whenever they need it." After helping Tino, Gani felt hungry and looked for food. He found a mango tree full of ripe fruit. However, the fruits were too high for his trunk to reach. Gani then called his friends, such as birds and monkeys, to help him. Together, they collected fruit and shared it. That day, Gani felt very happy because he could not only help his friends but also share food with them. All the animals gathered under the mango tree, enjoying food and chatting about the fun day they had. As the sun began to set, Gani returned to his house in the quiet forest. He felt satisfied because he had done good things and helped many friends. In Gani's heart, he knows that being a good and caring friend is the most important thing in this world. And so, every day Gani continues his adventures in the forest, always ready to help and share with his friends. All the animals in the forest know that they can always rely on Gani, the intelligent and loving elephant.